Today we are going to discuss about one problem. Two identical coaxial rings, each of radius r, are separated by distance root 3r. They are uniformly charged. Plus q minus q, minimum kinetic energy with which a charged particle should be projected from center of negative charge ring along the axis of ring such that it reaches the center of positively charged ring. Options they have given. See here, two rings, each of radius r. Their radius is r. This also have radius r. One have given positive plus q charge, second have given minus q charge. Distance between the center, this is AB is equal to root 3r. Suppose center of negative charge is A, center of positive charge is B. Minimum kinetic charge given to a plus q charge. Here one plus q charge is there. What kinetic energy, minimum kinetic energy we are giving, it will reach the axis of सेकेंड रिंग एट बी. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है आपका. ठीक, मिनिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितनी होगी? देखो बेटा, वन एक रिंग, सेकेंड रिंग, दिस इज द एक्सिस. प्लस क्यू चार्ज इज हियर. हाउ मच मिनिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी यू हैव टू गिव दैट इट विल रीच हियर. तो सी व्हाट वी नो, law of conservation of energy, total kinetic plus potential energy at point A is equal to total kinetic energy at point B. So see here, suppose here kinetic energy K I have taken. So this kinetic energy K, here suppose potential energy is UA. What happened? Here kinetic energy plus potential energy UB. Kinetic energy just minimum. If you will talk about the Ka, that is minimum. Ka क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? Minimum. The minimum when we will talk, what about kinetic energy at B? So just reaches mean kinetic energy at B is equal to 0. You can see here UB minus UA. This will be the kinetic energy given at point A, that is minimum kinetic energy UB minus UA. So what is potential energy at A? What is potential energy at B? The difference of UB minus UA will be the kinetic energy at A. See, what will be the potential energy at A? So one thing remember, suppose this is the charge ring, any charge ring. So what will be the potential energy? Suppose dq you have taken, the distance is r. So for all charges, when point lies on the axis, all dq charge, they will have same distance. This is also r, this is also r, all have same distance. So what will be the total potential energy if you will see? The potential energy mean 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Suppose this is dq into this is suppose q, dq into q upon r. ठीक है, this is a small potential energy due to small charge dq. If you take whole charge, so all have same distance. That mean if you are taking sigma du all potential energy, so that will be sigma dq. Sigma dq mean total charge upon this. If total charge upon this is plus q, so that will becomes 1 upon 4 pi plus q into q upon r. Mean r is distance from circumference to this point. This you have to remember. If you are talking about the center, so this r, small r becomes capital R. That is the radius of this circle. So that's if you are remembering, what will be the potential energy due to ring at axial point and at center. If you are knowing this theory, you can solve easily. So okay, So we are going to find UA and UB. What will be the UA and UB? I have explained how you have to find. So firstly, you will go for the UA. UA, due to this charge minus Q, what happened? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q into Q upon radius is R. Because from all charges, distance of this point is mean between the distance plus Q and all minus Q charge is capital R. When we will talk about from this, what will the potential energy due to be? What happened? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here charge is plus Q. Charge Q upon, what will be the distance from here? Yeah, distance from here. You can see distance, this distance. This is R, this is root 3R. If you are solving Pythagoras, so this will come 2R. So that distance is 2R. So that will be the potential at point A. Similarly, potential at point B. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Firstly, you will see from this charge plus Q into Q. Distance of each point is R. By this charge, what will be the potential at point? एक बार हम इससे देखेंगे, दूसरी बार इससे देखेंगे, ठीक है, दोनों का कंबाइन, दैट विल बी द पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी. तो व्हाट हैपन ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज, तो this time this will be the distance, that is the distance of point. So this is also 2R. So you can say 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is minus Q into Q upon 2R. What will be the kinetic energy, minimum kinetic energy? If you want to calculate minimum kinetic energy, the UB minus UA, subtract it. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R, I have taken common. Q upon R I have taken common, so this is 1 minus 1 by 2. Here this is UB. And what is UA? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R I have taken common. So this is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. If we are finding both, solve. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R, 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, add करोगे 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so this is 1. So formula, what is the minimum kinetic energy? So this will come 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. You can see here the first option will be correct. See here, when we will talk about the minimum kinetic energy required to reach one point to another point, so law of conservation of energy apply, kinetic plus potential, kinetic plus potential. Total energy at A is equal to total energy at B. By this we can find the minimum kinetic energy. Okay. See here, one problem is there. The electrostatic potential due to charge configuration at point P in figure. This is the figure. Here plus Q charge, minus Q, minus Q. Distance is B, here distance is B, this distance is A, this distance is A. One thing they have given, B is much smaller than A. A के कंपेरिजन में B की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा, वेरी वेरी स्मॉलर. तो यहाँ वी कैन अप्लाई अप्रोक्सीमेशन. अगर ऐसा कुछ दिया है तो आप अप्रोक्सीमेशन का हम यूज कर सकते हैं. रिमेंबर, तो सी है, फर्स्टली आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द प्लस क्यू के कारण क्या पोटेंशियल, व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल एट P ड्यू टू प्लस क्यू. positive charge, both positive charge. The potential due to positive charge at point P. So one positive charge is there, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus q upon A. Second positive charge, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus q upon A. So that you can see 2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon A. This is due to these two positive charge. When we will go for the two negative charge, suppose this is Vp dash, the Vp double dash for negative charge. So from negative charge, what will be the distance? Suppose this distance is r. So you can see here r is equal to under root a square plus b square. Or you can say this is a square plus b square power 1 by 2. Okay, so see, due to negative charge 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon r. Due to this negative charge also that have the same distance, same r will be there, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon r. Or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2q. What is r? R here a square plus b square power 1 by 2 minus 2q upon this I have taken upward. So a square plus b square power minus 1 by 2. If this a I have taken outside, what happened? A square I have taken outside, so this a square power minus 1 by 2. So this will become 1 plus b square upon a square power minus 1 by 2. If b is smaller, so you can apply there that formula, b upon a 1 plus x power n binomial theorem. So apply here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is minus 2q upon 4 pi epsilon naught a. This if you are applying same thing, 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus in binomial expansion if x is small. Here b is smaller than a. So b upon a is very much less than 1. So we can apply binomial theorem. The binomial theorem is 1 plus nx. 1 plus x power n is equal to what? 1 plus nx. Here what happened? This becomes 1 plus b square na. 1 minus b square upon a square. So this will be the Vp dash. What will be the net potential? The net potential V is equal to Vp dash first plus second. See here 2q upon 4 pi epsilon naught a, here minus 2q upon 4 pi epsilon naught a bracket 1 minus 1 by 2 b square upon a square. Solve this. What will be the answer? If you are solving this we can write here 2q upon 4 pi epsilon naught a I have taken common. Remaining is what? 1 minus, this becomes minus 1 minus minus plus this b square upon 2a square. 1 cancel out, 2 cancel out. So answer is qb square upon 4 pi epsilon naught a into a square, that is a cube. 2 also cancel out. So this will be the QB square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A cube. So C option will be the correct option for this question. This is very simple question. Only potential. You know potential formula V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. At distance R from a charged particle Q. And apply B less than A, you can apply here binomial theorem. 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. So simple question is there. And potential is a scalar quantity. So you have to go only the algebraic sum. A positive there, positive, negative there, negative. Algebraic sum. After algebraic sum, you can find the resultant of the question.